Hi everyone, my name is Andrea Ansel, Director of Design at FTD and Pro Flowers. And today we'll be designing the standard size of our head over heels bouquet for Valentine's Day. Start by taking your well-hydrated floral foam and placing it into the white box. Build out the base of your arrangement with salal tips, keeping it tight to cover up the mechanics. Next, add your lily stem into the center. This prevents any damage or bruising during the delivery process. Place your red alstroemeria, adding it into the corners of your design. This brings out the red that looks lovely next to the different pink tones and textures. Grab your 2 pink roses and place them on opposite corners of the alstroemeria, so your recipient gets a beautiful view from every angle. Next, add your pink mini carnations. Now, tuck in your red Matsumoto asters. A few blooms should cascade over the base of the design. Finally, add your silver dollar eucalyptus. Focus on placing these all around the arrangement. Each stem of the eucalyptus should have a few laterals. Casually add them into the design to create a soft and whimsical feeling. Your charming bouquet is ready to send out.